Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from an HSA with HealthEquity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from your HealthEquity HSA, begin by logging into your HealthEquity account. Visit the HealthEquity website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the dashboard. Select the HSA account you wish to withdraw from. Look for the Withdraw option in the menu. Click on Withdraw to proceed. You will be presented with different withdrawal methods. Choose the method that suits you best, such as a check, electronic funds transfer, or debit card. Fill in the required details, including the amount you wish to withdraw. Be sure to provide information pertaining to the expenses you are covering. Review your withdrawal request for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, confirm your withdrawal. You may receive a confirmation message indicating your request has been processed. Check your email for a summary of your transaction. If you selected electronic transfer, monitor your bank account for the funds. For checks, allow a few days for delivery, depending on your mail service. Keep records of your withdrawal for tax purposes. Your HSA funds are now on their way to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.